What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna break down this $153,800 portfolio and my portfolio allocation. It's really not that diversified, and I wanna break that down. So let's get right into it. So before we get into it, looking at the pros of a non-diversified portfolio, you can have higher potential returns because you have concentrated bets on higher performers, which is what I'm trying to achieve. It's simpler management because I have fewer assets to monitor and research, so I can know these companies at a deeper level. And you also are able to thoroughly understand and track a limited number of those investments. Now, the cons come in at a high risk as well. A single poor performer can lead to significant losses, which you will see in my portfolio. Increased volatility, you're more sensitive to market fluctuations and sector-specific news, and it lacks protection from broader economic downturns because I do not have that diversification. So if you use the analysis tab in Fidelity, you can get a quick snapshot view, and we're gonna break this down even further, where it shows the asset allocation is domestic stock 97, foreign stock 3%. It shows that my FSPGX, my main holding, makes up 56% of the fund, and then Google's 12% and Tesla is 6%, saying that I have concentrated positions. But let's take this a step further. Breaking it down by sector, we can see information technology is 33% of this portfolio, making up about $50,000. Consumer discretionary is 29% at $44,000, and communication services at 19%, which is $28,000. So taking a deeper dive here, you can see with this bar graph here, information technology leads at 33%, consumer discretionary at 29%, communication services at 19%. Healthcare, however, is at 10% because we do have that individual holding in UNH. Then you have financials, which is 4%, industrials at 3%, and then as you can see, I am lacking big time. Consumer staples, only 1%, real estate, 0, utilities, 0, materials, 0, energy, 0. So when you look at my portfolio, I have a big concentration in just technology, consumer discretion, and communication services, and 10% in healthcare. So that's why when you're creating a portfolio, you need to make sure you understand your asset allocation. I mean, you can see here in my portfolio, FSPGX makes up 56% of the portfolio. You can see the percent of account right here in these two columns. I also have within these index funds, I have Tesla and I have Google, which are concentrated positions already in this index fund because I want to have more concentration towards them. Now I hit healthcare with the UNH. That's almost around $9,400 at the current value because it's up 27%. And because I thought Tesla and Google had more upside, I bought the dip on those in April and I'm up 95%. Google, I'm up 53% versus just buying a broad growth index fund. That's only up 31% on the year. Because I bought individual stocks during those dips in April, BABA's up 105%. Microsoft's up 44%. And these are very technology based versus the other upside, which is the 10% at United Healthcare at 27%. So you definitely need to make sure you have your portfolio allocation of exactly what you want to invest in. And if you want to take it a step further, click on my 6 more links. You can go on the WAP where we have an investing community where you can discuss your investments with others, whether it's day trading, swing trading, options trading, or long-term investing. There's a simple fee that you can pay, $7.50. I have 3 openings for you guys. I'll include that in the link in the description. And then there's also, if you want to become a YouTube member to get early access to videos like this, you can click on that. And then there's a free Discord as well. And there's some referral links like the Gemini cryptocurrency. If you want to start that, you have the referral links to get $50 to $75 when you sign up. And definitely be sure to check out the members only videos of my next swing trade that I'm doing. I posted that last night. I have my portfolio updates on my Fidelity account, my mastering VWAP, my day trading strategies, break and retest strategy, my dip buying strategy. Just a whole bunch of videos for you, and please look out for the posts. I do multiple posts. This is the flash alert sale, 50% off the WAP membership. You click on this link under my posts and you can get that $7.50 to sign up. Only 3 available for you guys. And if you want my crypto Gemini referral code, you get $50 to $75 when you sign up. I get $50 to $75. It's a win-win. And there's multiple videos for you guys. I'm posting every single day. So please check out the membership. It's very low bar to get in. Doesn't cost that much, and you gain a lot through this. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. So if you guys are interested in the WAP, I'm going to include this link below for you guys. I'll copy it and post it in the comment section below. I'll pin it on top. And then also be sure to check out the TikTok where I post different videos as well, different trades that I'm doing, different stock levels. We have it on TikTok. We have it on the YouTube channel. And we also have the WAP. If you want to get the total experience, this is what you need. So I'll see you guys in there.